EZRA, tutafutia pia mashamba za kununua hapo Nakuru. Last week nilionyesha 3, leo hii niko na 2 za kuonyesha. This is one of them. Alright, this one is here at Optiven in Kiamunyi. It is in a prime location, you know, perfect for commercial, alright, or even for residential. It is the second plot from the road, alright. Na umeona pale iko na barabara mzuri ambayo inaingia ndani na kutoka, alright. It is actually near, you know, it is just, is it near or mahali iko ni kwa, you know, the commercial center ya hapa Kiamunyi, na hapa panaitwa Optiven. Alright, so this plot is going for 10 million Kenya shillings. It is a quarter-acre plot, alright, as you can see from below and above. Alright, so this is plot number 1. My number again, nipigie tu pale alafu tuanze kupanga kazi kutoka hapo. So kama unatafuta kitu commercial or even residential, it can do, manake it can do as residential because it is in the second, you know, the second street. Umeona pale mbele ndo Nakuru Kabarak highway. So hii street ya kwanza from the highway, of course kuna other residential homes along hapa, so apartments nini, even your home, all can do. But pia ukitaka kuweka maofisi hapa, I think fine and well, because even next to it, it is the farming systems offices. Alright, so yeah, ndo hivyo. Give me a call tupange kazi. Alright, farming systems ndo hii hapa mbele. So let me just show you. So that is the building, alright, of farming systems, alright. Okay, so that's their parking hapo. Mbele yake, it is where the road is. So vile nimekwambia iko karibu sana na barabara haya, and this is the access road, alright. Namna hiyo, just showing you the surrounding. Alright, perfect. Give me a call. Very nice. So this is the second parcel. Alright, we are still in Kiamunyi. Okay, so from here I can see the Royal Gardens Resort. It is just opposite from here. You can actually see it. The Nakuru Kabarak Road. It is just about 80 meters from where I'm standing. Alright, it is really very close. The main access road that comes to this parcel from here to the road is about 100 meters. So it is really very close to the main road. I perceive this one inaweza kuwa fiti for, you know, for residential, right? Could be residential rentals or even residential, you know, your own home on a quarter-acre parcel like this one. I perceive it can also work because even around I can see there are other bungalows, you know. I can see a mansionette there. I can see, yeah, I can see apartments on that side behind me. Yeah, I can see some apartments pale. So there is life around already. So this one is going for 6 million and it is slightly negotiable. And actually I think, I mean, considering the many others that I have been to, for 6 million, I think this one is a good deal. And again, they said it is slightly negotiable. I think this parcel for a quarter-acre plot for 6 million, and you can negotiate. I think this parcel is affordable. Now from here, like I told you, I can see the main road. So exactly, namna hiyo. Let's go to number 3. Alright people, tumefika kwa shamba number 3. Now this one is kinda interior kidogo. Alright, where can I give you the landmark kweli? Okay, if you don't know now, if you don't know Kiamunyi, it's going to be hard for you to know, but we are still in Kiamunyi. And this is plot number 3. Let me turn the camera around. It has started raining, so we are not going to do area shots for this one. But let me just, you know, show you around. Alright, so pale zile miti zimefika, that is the corner. Alright, ile miti imepiga corner na ile ingine. So it's a quarter-acre plot again. So the plot goes like that. Mpaka kwa ile mti ingine tunaona pale chini, ile pale. Alright, kale ka mti. Then it turns namna hiyo. Okay, inakuja tena kwa hizi miti across. You see these trees, vile zimekuja hivyo across namna hiyo. Okay, there is an access road hapo hapa kando. Alright, that's how we have come. And actually there is somebody already. There is already someone ambaye ameanza. Unasema? Thank you. So amekuja kunionyesha beacon mahali iko ya hii ploti. Yeah, exactly. Thank you so much. So hapa ndo beacon iko. What else? What else? Okay, so meanwhile, that is the plot, That is the plot. Namna hiyo vile na zoom hivyo zile miti zinapiga across. Alright, pale chini up to that tree kule. Then where those wazee wanateremka. You see those wazee wanateremka huko? Pale mahali wanateremka bas. From where I'm standing up to right there mahali wako. That is the size of this plot, and it's a quarter acre. And I was telling you, already, naona you have started to have a neighbor.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big house.
Yeah.
Hii ni nyumba ya mtu anakuja kuishi?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow,
kubwa.
Yeah.
Hii ni nyumba kubwa.
Akuja achenge tu. Ako neighbor imagine.
Akuja kwa neighbor, si ndio?
Neighbor imagine.
There are some other guys hapo pia. Unaona kamoshi pale kanatokea kwa jikoni. So this is the access road, all right? Imemea nyasi because hakuna watu wanatumia hii barabara. But this is the access road namna hiyo going all the way hivyo. Exact. Actually sijui nifuate wale wazee. All right, tupatane nao. Okay, so that yes, I'm still here. Tuko plot number 3. That's your neighbor kule, ashaanza kujenga kwake. So, nimeteremka hivi kuja kwa hii corner. These trees ndio nimeshinda nikikuonyesha. Alright. So kutoka hapa. Bas, alright, from this side. Again, I believe you have seen the size of this plot. So, vile tumekuja from the vile tumekuja from the Nakuru Kabarak road, tumefika mahali panaitwa Ses. Okay, if you're not from this area, uwezi elewa. But ideally from the main road mpaka hapa, that has been about 800 meters. About 800 meters in up to mahali shamba iko. So this is plot number 3. It is drizzling, but bado mimi nimefanya kazi yangu. So engage me. Now, this plot is very, very affordable. Alright, unajua ni how much? 3.3 million. A quarter acre plot, 3.3 million. Alright, na umeona hapa, by the way, iko perfect kwa kujenga. Kwa kujenga for your home, this is a great hideout. See you in the next one. Nitazidi kuwaletea mengi kadha wa kadha, na wacha niwakumbushe tena mara ya mwisho kwamba when it comes to house hunting in Nakuru, EZRA ONDARA is the way, the truth and the only way. Na sasa vile nimeanza kuingia kwa mashamba, the status remains. Aya, see you in the next one.